Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home and garden. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Farmerry 13-12 feet portable electric fence Polywire, which we believe is the best garden electric fence kit for anyone looking to secure their property, animals, or garden with a reliable and easy-to-use fencing solution. This electric fence Polywire is ideal for temporary or portable fencing, making it versatile enough for various applications, from keeping livestock safe to protecting gardens from unwanted pests. Measuring 1,312 feet or 400 meters in length, it gives you plenty of coverage without the need for permanent installation, which makes it perfect for temporary setups. The Polywire comes with 6 stainless steel strands of electrical conductors, ensuring excellent conductivity for a secure and effective barrier. This means you get a reliable fence that provides the necessary power to keep animals in or out. And with its UV-stabilized polymer webbing, this fence is built to last through the toughest weather conditions, so you won't have to worry about it fading or degrading over time. It's durable, lightweight, and resistant to rust, making it easy to handle and install. Installing the Farmerry electric fence is straightforward and user-friendly. You can easily splice or repair the wire if needed, and because it's reusable, you can take it down and set it up again in different locations as required. This makes it an excellent option for those who need flexibility in their fencing setup. Whether you're protecting a garden, creating a temporary boundary, or containing animals, this Polywire is an easy and efficient solution. Another great feature is its portability. The fence is lightweight and can be easily wound up and stored for future use. This makes it ideal for people who need to move their fence frequently or store it when not in use. Plus, the bright yellow and black color makes it visible from a distance, which adds an extra layer of safety when working around it. Overall, the Farmerry 13-12 feet portable electric fence Polywire with 6 conductors is an outstanding product for anyone who needs a flexible, reliable, and long-lasting solution for fencing. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about maintaining secure and effective fencing for their property or animals. Thanks for watching this review, and make sure to check out the product link in the description if you want to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best products out there.